Hello, my Facebook and internet friends. How you been? Where you been? Where have I been? Gone, I guess. It's been a month. Feels so good to be back here on the mic. I got some Cuban music going because I'm happy. I have no idea about Cuba. I think things are going better there. But 2016 behind us. Political commercials gone. Cialis commercials back. Everything is normal. We need to bottle up 2016, stick it in a hole somewhere with a note for our kids down the road 20 years from now to pull it back out and say, hey, don't do this. Read this. Don't do this. Ay caramba! So as you can see, the first portion of this video, there's no good information or... I'm just happy. 2017. Maybe it's because I was in bed by 7:30, 2016, dreaming for 2017. Okay, enough of that. Welcome to Garden Plain. One thing I'm excited about is another year learning Spanish from a great subcontractor, Juan Esparza. We go back and forth. I teach him some English words. He teaches me some Spanish words. Well, I really have to learn what he's telling me. Like, natural wood filler is natural wood filler. So when someone asks you, why do you go to Fisher Lumber? You can say, well, I'm known as a friend. They know my name, and they just don't hand me a receipt and say, have a nice day. Fisher Lumber has been in the lumber and hardware business for over 60 years. So it speaks for itself. I mean, we're not downtown Wichita, or we're not on West Street. So to be in business that long, you know that you're getting quality material. There's no fillers, there's no gimmicks, nothing like that. To have a lumberyard in Garden Plain is very special to our communities. And it's a challenge, but we keep doing it. So here we are, Bob Cook Homes. We've talked about Bob Cook before. He's been around forever, which is a good thing. Forever is not always bad. But we get to follow him on an ICF home, insulating concrete form. Bob and his son Ben are a two-man team that build the most efficient homes that Wichita can provide. The ICF home, where do you want to begin? Stands up better to storms, obviously. They are foam forms filled with concrete, so better insulating. Fire resistant, wind resistant, soundproof. There's no gaps, so varmint resistant, and I hate to say it, but nowadays it's actually even earthquake resistant. Who'd have thought we'd need to think about that, huh? So I will post Bob's contact information, website, phone number, and everything, but if I know Bob and Ben like I do, they're not going to be in the office. They're going to be on the job site, making sure everything is running smoothly. Keeping in contact with their customer. So this week I got a video coming up of Doug Fisher, a contractor from Garden Plain, has a kitchen remodel and actually starting another one. Jeremy Spexarth, we've taken a look at his previous house, starting another custom on the west side. So something to look forward to. So now's the time where I would say something stupid and have my bulldog on here, but we lost someone very special in Garden Plain, and just want to say we miss you, bud, and please watch over us.